A horizontal force Fa pushes a block of mass m along a rough horizontal surface. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the surface is mu. The learner makes an experiment in which he varies the applied force Fa and measure the resulting acceleration each time. The learner then plotted the following graph of acceleration versus applied force. The gradient of the graph is 0.5 meters per square second per Newton. So la umfundi uphusha nali block ngesikhathi eliphusha isurface rough futhi kune-frictional force between isurface ne-block. So into ayishintshayo yena ushintsha i-applied force. So i-applied force iqale yaba u-0 ngesikhathi i-block accelerator ngo-3. So ngesikhathi increaser i-applied force acceleration maybe increaser nayo ngilokhu increaser njengoba-ke igraph ikhombisa ukuthi uma ngabe u-increaser i-applied force ne-acceleration iya-increase. Okay. So kune-relationship between applied force nani ne-acceleration according to Newton's second law. Okay. Into ongayenza la, okay, basitshenile ukuthi acceleration, ukuthi i-gradient yale graph yile. Basitshenile. So ngaso sonke isikhathi uma udibana ne-graph kubalulekile ukuthi u-analyze, usitholele ukuthi i-gradient representa ini. Ngenhlanhla la basinikezile kancane lokho abasinikeze khona. So lokho abakunikeze khona singakusebenzisa kodwa ngaso sonke isikhathi i-gradient uboyitholela. So uthi okukuma-y-axis, kuma-y-axis khona acceleration divided by okuma-x-axis khona applied force. I-acceleration ama-unit akhona meters per square second. Okukuma-x-axis ama-unit akhona newtons. So meters per square second. Okay, ngizokwenza lokhu nje la eceleni. F net is equal to ma. F net olingana or i-mass siyi-measure kuma-kilograms, acceleration siyi-measure kuma-meters per square second. Konke lokho kulingana nama-newtons. So kusho ukuthi ama-newtons alingana nama-kilograms meters per square second. So lo udivayidana nalo, okusho ukuthi kahle kahle i-gradient yale graph uma utholile i-mass ku-1 over mass kahle kahle inaphuzane i-gradient yale graph. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle u-1 over mass i-gradient yale graph. Okay. Ngokusebenza kwakho ngama-unit ngoku-check but bebengakasibuzi lutho-ke. Ke siye kuma-question esisa-analyze nje. Bathi-ke show that the acceleration of the above experiment can be written as. So wena uzobuka ama-forces are-parallel to the surface. Uzobuka ama-forces are-parallel to the surface. So since applied force ibheka le, Khumbule i-frictional force yona izobheka le Fk, then kuzoba khona normal force. So normal force kube khona Fg. So i-applied force nansiya. Bese uzama ukuthola i-frictional force in terms of mu. Ngithi yabona inafuzana yakho, i-formula yakho kuthiwa i-prove lapho ino-mu. Futhi kule equation i-frictional force ikhona but in terms of mu. Okay. So singaqala sithole ukuze sikwazi ukuthola i-Fk kufanele sithole i-normal force. I-normal force kule case ilingana no-Fg. Futhi ilingana no-mg. Normal force leyo. So u-Fk yena ulingana no-mu. Bashilo-ke bathi i-coefficient esiyinikeziwe u-mu. Asikho isidingo sokuthi sithi mu k ngoba sitsheniwe ukuthi i-coefficient u-mu. Then mu, okay, singathi mu k times the normal force. So mu k basitshela ukuthi ulingana no-mu, normal force u-mg. So that is the frictional force esinayo. Bese sithi-ke F net is equal to MA. Ama-forces ayawa-right. We have applied force. Khumbule sichoose ukuya-right as positive. Then subtract Fk is equal to MA. I-applied force siyifaka njengoba injalo, i-variable applied force. U-Fk mu mass times G is equal to MA. Into ongayenza la solver wenza i-acceleration ibe subject of the formula. Kusho ukuthi ngizodivide ngo-m, divide ngo-m, divide ngo-m. Lo uzokhansela loya, lo khansele loya. Bese ngisala nento kanje. Khumbula le ngingakwazi ukuyibhala kanje. 1 over m multiplied by F applied minus mu G. So sengiyiphrovile le formula yabo kuthiwa ngiyiprove. Nakho u-A is equal to 1 over m F applied minus mu G. Sesiyiprovile loo nto leyo. So into makuthiwa i-prove uyabuka lezi zinto kule nto kuthiwa i-prove ukuthi inani. Konje lezi zinto zonke zingangena kanjani kulowo formula leyo. Ukhumbuleke ukuthi thina sinaye loya loyana i-gradient yale equation nansiya lingana no-0,5 sinayo siyiprovile sayithola nansi siyiprovile sayithola. So kuleya equation asisokoli kakhulu ngo-1 over m uthi ulingana nobani. Then bathi-ke determine the coefficient of friction between the block and the surface. Okay, let us determine the coefficient manje between the block and the surface. Okay. Ake sisebenzise yona le formula yabo-ke le. Siyisebenzise A le siyiprove ngathi A is equal to M F applied minus mu g. Okay, i-acceleration yethu mangabe u-minus 3, okay, 1 over m sitsheniwe ukuthi i-gradient oku-0,5. Mangabe acceleration ku-3, i-applied force u-0 minus mu u-g constant oku-9,8. So lokhu kusinikeza u-0 minus 3 minus 9,8 mu. So kuzoba minus 9,8 mu minus 3 divided by minus 9,8 divided by minus 9,8. Low cancel lower. Now negative 3 divided by 9,8 okusinikeza mu 0.306. Yeah, 3061. Umyu wethu lowo. Labuza ukuthi-ke, how will the acceleration of the block changes if the mass of the block is increased, but the applied force and the coefficient of friction remain constant? So laba bobabili saba remain constant laba. Kuzokwenzakalani if lo increase i-mass, increase i-mass, kuzokwenzakalani nge-acceleration? Okay, khumbula ukuthi i-acceleration is directly proportional to the net force. Once i-applied force increase, i-acceleration yethu increase. Okunye kuzokwenzeka if we increase i-mass, increase in mass will increase the normal force. So increase normal force. Ukhumbule. So ngokwale formula le, F net is equal to force applied minus Fk, then F applied is equal to mu k times the normal force. So if we increase this mass, we increase this normal force. So izogcina isinkulu inamba esizoyi-subtracta kwi-applied force. Siyawendaba, izogcina isinkulu inakhuzana inamba esizoyi-subtracta ngoba u-increase isi-mass, u-increase isi-normal force. So isizoba nkulu inamba esiyi-subtracta kwi-applied force, okuzokwenza ukuthi i-net force i-decrease. So ukudecrease kwenakhuzana kwe-net force kuzo-decrease ini i-acceleration, since net force is directly proportional to the acceleration. Once net force decrease, applied force decrease. Once net force increase, applied force acceleration yenza nayo increase. So the acceleration is directly proportional to the net force. So increase kwethu i-mass kwenza ukuthi normal force, khumbula phela normal force masiyithola sithi mg. Increase i-mass increase ini i-normal force. Increase normal force, increase number esizoyi-subtract kwi-applied force. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi inakhuzana i-net force yethu igcine incane. Ukudecrease kwe-net force, ukudecrease kwe-acceleration. So i-answer yethu lapha kufanele siyikhethe u-decrease. Bese sibhala lamaphuzu lawo. Leli lokuqala, leli lesibili. Nema lokuthi uthe decrease.